seconds. Steal. Jersey number 12. Tumira. Connect. 3 points. Substitution daw. Substitution ka. Baseline inbound ta. Baseline inbound. Jersey number 9, ginaharasing Mr. Sapong. Jersey number 9, nagpamagay. Foul. Wala pa yung penalty. Last 2 minutes. Jersey number 9, hinaharas. Hinaharas si Mr. Sapong. Mr. Sapong nagwan bola. Hoy, pinasa ka na nice pass by Mr. Sapong. Last 1 minute and 49 seconds. No pass. Nakakuha ni Jersey number 15 sa ilalim. Correct, 2 points by Jersey number 15. Last 1 minute and 41 seconds. Mr. Kaminsi may dala ng bola. Mr. Kaminsi nagmamadali, nag-crossover. Correct, 2 points by Mr. Kaminsi.
2 points.
Jersey number 9 hinaharas. Jersey number 9 madala ng bola. Last 1 minute 27 seconds. Jersey number 9. Pass on the corner. Tumira ng long 3. Wala, airborne. Jersey number 5, muna pa ng bola. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Nag-Eurostep, panlupangin. Oy! Substitution rin. In Benedicto. Out. Sapong. Substitution rin. In Benedicto, out Sapong. Last 1 minute and 7 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Mr. Kaminsi may dala ng bola. 10 seconds shot clock. Last 53 seconds. Foul. Time out ulit. Timing. No good. Basket counts for jersey number 9. Graduate na Mr. Sapong. Salamat sa imong servisyo. Last 49 seconds. Last 45 seconds. Tumira ng mga 3. Wala. Rebound ako ni jersey number 5. Last 39 seconds. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 9. Long pass ako ni jersey number 25. Easy layup. Correct. 2 points. Last 29 seconds. Mr. Kaminsi may tala ng bola.
69. 69 pa.
Wala. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds. Surrender na boy!